How to measure and install a double sliding fly screen to a casement window. Casement windows can be easy or difficult to install double sliding insect screens. It all depends on a few factors. One factor is how much the casement window handles, catches or hardware sticks out compared to the sill or reveal depth. In this case, the window catch sticks out 32 mm and the sill or reveal depth is about 55 mm. This gives us a maximum of 23 mm to install our tracks. Note, this window screen setup uses a reveal fit double bottom track, a reveal fit double top track and side trim angles. The next factor is how out of square the casement window set is. Measure the opening size widths from the edges of the window frame. Measure the top, middle and bottom to see if there is any difference and use the smallest one. Measurement is 1890 mm. If they're different by more than 10 mm, the side trim angles may need to be adjusted upwards in size. A 20 mm projection side angle can accommodate most casement windows up to 10 mm out of square. We use the smallest measurement for our width calculations. As the screen frames will overlap in the middle, we add 22 mm to the width opening size and then divide that by 2. Manufactured size is 956 mm for each window. The most problematic factor is often how different the drop opening sizes can be. Measure from the sill to the top of the reveal, measuring across at many points to see what the drop difference is and what the minimum and maximum opening height sizes are. The measurement is 1185 mm. When the drop variance is less than 5 mm, deduct 15 mm to compensate the bottom and top channels for a manufacturing size of 1170 mm. Taking a maximum deduction of 18 mm from the largest opening size will result in the screen having only 4 mm of overlap at the top. Install the bottom and top tracks. Allow at least 1 mm clearance between the handle and any other window catches and the tracks. Screw each side in 100 mm and then every 300 to 400 mm across the length. We recommend screwing the inside track. Slightly pre-drill and use 6-gauge countersunk screws so they fit in between the bottom channel screen runners. Use a similar process for the top track. The top track is 10 mm deeper than the bottom track. This feature allows the fly screen to have at least 8 mm of overlap at the top while allowing easy fitment and removal of the screens. To install the screens, lift them into the top track and swing them across, dropping them into the bottom channel. Slide them across to the sides to test fitment and squareness. Adding small canoe clips to the bottom of the screens helps them slide smoothly. Remove the screens to install the side trim angles. Measure the left side from the top to the bottom of the track. The measurement is 1190 mm. The angle needs to sit flush with the top and bottom tracks. The right angle aligns with the center track rather than the outside point. Measure from the track lips. Measurement is 1160 mm. Fix the angles. We recommend screwing the side angles 15 to 25 mm from the ends and one in the center. Close the screens and check their alignment. There you go, another Starline Security video. To become a Starline Security Dealer, access our website www.starlinesecurity.net.au.